How you know I Dominican, papi?
Tú quieres ser malo y no tiene ni un kiki, no tiene ni un kiki, no tiene ni un terremoto como pelota porque tú quieres friki, no tiene ni un kiki, no tiene ni un, tú no tienes ni un kiki.
Welcome back, guys, to another amazing video. At the current time recording, it is 4:33, July 9th, 2026. It has been quite the day so far. I'm filming this a little bit later than usual. In today's video, I'm gonna continue working on this rock paper scissors game. I haven't touched it since I think last video was really just a filler episode of me crashing out. So today I'll actually try to make some progress than I did last time. Again, this entire series is just me documenting my coding experience, so things like crashing out and not getting it will happen. This video will be opposite though. I will get it. Alright, I'm not gonna look at Bro Code's video. I will be using my own brain. If you guys like this type of content, leave a subscription, leave a like, leave a comment down below of how I could improve my coding and what I'm doing wrong here, because it's like making me go insane. With that, let's get into the video. So guys, this is just me here in post. I'm right now explaining what's going on and what I want to work and what's not working right now. Mainly the tying part, I didn't really get that and it was really frustrating me. Anyways, that's it. I got my mic working again. I feel so silly for not knowing it was off. All right. So basically it was just working like literally maybe 2 minutes ago, and now it's not working somehow. I might have changed something, and if it did change something, it's probably very small. Yo, it is pouring outside. Oh my gosh, it's like pretty bad. Okay. While it is running, I want the player to make an input of either rock, paper, or scissors. Maybe. Okay. What do you mean? 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 Like what? So it's down here. Huh? Okay. When it gets to a tie, I want to say it is a tie. Then I want the computer to say I used options. Then from that, I want the computer to choose another one of the options. I call that option, maybe. What if I called this options instead? What if that's all the problem? One little letter called an S. Screwing around with my entire code. It doesn't take a crystal ball to see. Cowboy always find a way. Taking track all by myself. Using Texas, I can tell. No way. No way. Oh my gosh, there's no way. No way. Did I just see that? Hold on. I think it just worked. I think it actually just worked this time. Let me get a tie. Alright, if it is right, it will say either win, lose, or tie again. Then it's gonna say what it did. Oh my gosh. Please. Oh my gosh, there's no way. Nah, do it again, do it again. Me, bro. Oh.
That's tough.
Oh my gosh, I actually did it. Like, why am my mic cutting out? I'm gonna fix that. Oh. Dude, it's like so simple. It took me 3 days. 3 videos, 3 episodes.
Alright, fair
It's
enough.
like such simple like steps, like all the way.
Yeah, fair enough. Good stuff, bro. Good stuff.
That's actually so exciting. And then I'm gonna watch Bro Code's video, and his thing is just like 5 lines, and it's like the easiest thing to look at. What?
Did you make it where it's like the computer picks a random one? Or can I read your code?
Yeah.
Alright, bro, that's tough actually. So it's randomized.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Ah! Yo, that is like so extremely rewarding. Holy cow. Wait, it's not even on the correct one. I've been doing it on my practice one. Alright, I'm gonna just copy and paste it. If it somehow like malfunctions, even though the exact thing, let me check. Rock. Well, you can tell everybody. Oh, you can tell everybody. Go ahead and tell everybody. I'm the man, I'm the man, I'm the man. Did I just get rocked? Like, okay, I'm not. I'm gonna look back at that. Oh my gosh, it works. Yo, you like, oh my gosh. I literally couldn't go to sleep last night for like 10 minutes because I was just thinking about how the heck I'm gonna make this code. And now I made it. We did it! Anything's possible. Oh my gosh. Shout out Bro Code, shout out my brain, shout out you guys for watching and the encouragement. Alright? I see the views. I see the eyeballs looking at me. I know for a fact that there's people watching, people cheering me on, and I just every day I wake up being like, I will do it for you guys. So thank you from my bottom of my heart. I thank you guys so much for that. Alright, let's check out Bro Code's video. Okay, so his is this, and then this is mine. Big difference. So what he did firstly was use the curvy brackets, and I used the square brackets. I don't think it matters that much. Like, even if I put the square bracket, right, would the computer go like rock? Alright, yeah, it still works. So that's the first difference I saw. Second difference I saw was this part right here, player equals none. So what that does, of what he told me, is that player equals none kind of resets you. So while it is running, it kind of resets what you're saying, and also resets what the computer is saying. And then he used another looping while loop, so that way if you type in something that isn't right, like let's say I put LeBron, because LeBron would always win against a rock paper or scissors, yeah, it kind of just resets you so where you have to make a different change. Personally, to me, that was not something I wanted to do. I want to make sure that the player knows that they need to select a valid option. So I would not personally put that, but Bro Code's also like the best coder in the world, so definitely listen to him at this point, but I continue. Then it shows what you put and then the computer put, just so it's more like so you can see what you put and he sees what you put and vice versa. So from that, it takes that information and says you either won. This is one was like that. I was like, whoa, that is smart. Player is equal to computer. It's a tie. Because here I was saying that if they're both the same thing, right? But I totally could have put if choice is equal to option, which is so smart. Like I should have thought of that, because paper is still the same variable and stuff. Paper is still same thing, so I could just put choice option. That's so good. That's honestly so good. And then it lists out all the winning things. I wonder if I just did mine. If I just did my thing, where it's all condensed into one simple line. Wait, what? Oh, wait. Duh. Okay. So I kind of just did what I did, where I put it all on one line. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it still works, even with this method. But his looks a lot neater, in my opinion. Like you can really see each individual one, which kind of helps. This one's more like you gotta use both hemispheres of your brain to create and logically put together that rock, scissors, you win type of thing. Okay, yeah, and then this one was also really smart. He said that if the player doesn't equal computer, or none of these work, then it has to be a loss. And even if you put something in that doesn't work, it will just send you back to this part, which is actually really smart. That was good. And then from there, it says, do you want to play yes or no? And from that makes the assumption that you want to either go back up, that you want to play again, or something else. This was also good. I'm not really sure how it works, because if you put yes, if you put yes, right, it continues it. Oh, that's because if you didn't have it, it does it anyways, because it's in a while loop. Oh my gosh, that's so good. That makes so much sense. Oh my gosh. And it's less lines than mine. Or I guess, wait. Oh. Okay, it's one more than mine, but mine is a lot. Like, mine looks like this, and then his is so. Oh, dude, what? Alright, that was definitely a learning moment. Basically, that's the project. I can't believe I actually completed it and finished it all on my own. Shout out Bro Code. Definitely helped me revise of what I did in the perfect way possible. His is so much simpler, makes so much more sense. I'm gonna see here. If I put choice is equal to options, right? Because this is mine. This is my code right here. And then, oh, there's an error. What? Oh, colon. Dude, colons are so annoying. I actually hate colons. I see how scissors could be better, because Mine just ends like right there and then. So no. There's no way. There's no way. Hold on. Why is it not working anymore? Why is it not working anymore? Nothing changed. Literally nothing changed. What do you mean it's different now? What? No, it works. It works. I think... No, that's weird. Why does it do that? Why does it when I click backspace? Why is it that when I click backspace? Right? And then I do that. Yeah, and now it doesn't work. That's weird. Does that work with bro codes? Let me see. Backspace paper. Yeah, his works differently. I think it's because I added that part. Okay, so it's just the space I put there. Okay, that makes sense now. I get it. Okay. So then what if I put else here? You lose. Okay, so that also works then. Huh. Dang, like I just removed like 20% of my entire code and it still works perfectly. And then his is just like his is so like simple. It looks so simple. And actually like works too. Like mine is a little bit complicated. And then you look at his and it's like it's where it works better, makes more sense, more fun. Like it's so good. Okay, I'm glazing him. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be the video. Hope you guys liked it. If you have any suggestions down in the comments of how I could maybe make this better, make my code better, not bro codes better, leave it down in the comments. Leave a like, leave a subscription. If this inspired you guys to go out and continue working on that one project that you have, or to go and learn some code, definitely do that. Coding is so much fun. Even though it's like a brain teaser and it's a little bit complicated at times, it's very rewarding and very important to modern day life. Hope you guys liked it. Outro, if there is one.